Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in the previous session we have already discussed about the conditional construct if else, right? We are on the basically if else. So we just check whenever condition true it will go to the if block, whenever condition is false it will go to the else block. That one we discussed, right? So we also discuss the block indentation once you are writing the code using the if else conditional construct. So we make some certain program like age program. If age greater than 18, you can vote, else you cannot vote with the emojis. We already made it. So today's we are going to see another examples here, like how to check number is even or odd. So even odd number, which number is divisible by 2, that is called even number, otherwise odd number. So which number is divisible by 2, that is called even, else odd. So I will simply just take a number equals to integer data type and I take it here input, and here I given here like enter the any number. As usual I enter any number. Then I will check if num modulus, this is called reminder sign, modulus number divided by 2 equal which operator, comparison operator. So reminder was 0 and there's some print here, double quotation number is even, else column else print number is odd. Let's run this. I given 2, so you can see number is even. I given like 3, you can see number is odd. So this is where you can check the number is even or odd. Next, same way you can check for like a leap year, right? Leap year, which year is divisible by 4, that is called leap year, else not leap year. So here we make another program, like I take a variable year equals to integer, again same input function, and here I just give an enter year, what you're looking for. Then I just say same if the year modulus 4 equals to 0, then I just print here this is the leap year. Okay, else I simply print it, this is not a leap year. Leap year. Then suppose I give it 2024, so 2024 was the leap year. So this is a leap year. Again I run this. I give it 2021. So obviously this was not a leap year. Okay. Sorry. So this is way you can check a number of them, right? Examples based on the if else. Now, if you talk about, suppose you're looking for like a positive or negative number. So in that case, you can make for the positive and negative number, right? So there are various kinds of program you can make based on the temperature, the percentage, the various kinds of program you can make it based on this. Okay. So positive and negative number if you want to check. So I take it number here equals to integer data type again, and we have to type input function which is used for the take the input from the user. So I mention here enter uh, any number, and here I will check if the num greater than equals to 0, and I just print here print number is positive, else we print number is negative. Suppose I give positive number. Again I run this. So negative. Same way, we make for the different example. Now, I'm going to make the example with the using logical operator and or not. Like I've already discussed in the previous session, logical operator. There are three types of logical operator: and or not. In and, your both condition or multiple conditions should be true. Multiple conditions should be evaluated should be true. Then it will satisfy the and condition or both of anyone, and not always working on the reverse order. So, how to create a program using logical operator with if else, if else conditional construct. Okay. So let's take very simple example. Suppose I take it here username equals to is by default string, even you can define it, no problem. Input username, email ID, whatever you want, you can write. Enter your password. Simple, I will check if username equal to which operator? Comparison or relational operator. I given here like a DK student and password equals to I given here DKS123. So if username equals to this and password equal to this, then it will match, otherwise it will not. So I simply print here, then here I mention you can log in. Window greater than sign you have to press. You can put the emoji like you are happy once you log in. Again else I just print here you can't log in or sorry you can mention here sorry you can't log in. Okay, so obviously not login, so just chat. Okay, so let's run this. So I given username dks, password dks123, enter. So you can log in. Let's give the login details. Wrong one, so I given like dk password dks. See, sorry, you can't log in. Okay, this is way. Suppose if you want the password in teaser only, I take it the same. I just copy this. I take it a new cell. Let me take number of cell because we have to do number of program here. So here I can just place it. Sometime what happened? A student given a string here and they given the number password like this. Definitely it will not work. It will give error. See here, like even DKS like 1212 password. See, sorry you can't log in. See, it's not matching because here my data type is string and I'm just giving the number. This is a totally different data type, right? So make sure you have to change your data type integer. Now you should run this dks password like 1212. See, you can log in. Okay. Now I want to keep the another one example. I want to add the or also inside. I just copy this and take it same. So here I want to or, like I want to keep password like I given or password equals to I given like 100000. Okay. So I just run this and to just press it. I given dks. This time I'm using the second password like 100000. See, you can log in. I mean, I can use the password one this one or this one, both of anyone I can use. It is optional because I use the logical operator or here, right? So in that case you can choose both of anyone. So this is where you can make one email and password. Okay. So various kinds of example you can make it with the help of the logical operator and or. Okay. So this is where you can go. Now after that you can go further. Like we go to the nested if else. In nested if else we are going to find out the multiple condition. I mean condition inside condition, right? So let's see the example how to create nested if else. So nested if else condition inside condition. We have a multiple condition here, right? So in that case we have to use the elif. So very simple example. Suppose I take the variable here option equals to integer, and here I given like input, and I just place here select your option. I mean here I just want to take a option like yes or no. Suppose using the nested if else and or operator, like you have see already and, but I want to separate make individual for the or. So here I just check if option equals to double quotation capital Y or option equals to like a small y. Okay. So you are dk student, else you are not dk student. Okay. So here I given like a print you are dk student. Again I want another condition for the no, so I will use elif because I have a multiple condition. Elif option equals to, suppose I take it no like a capital N, or I want option equals to small, give it the gap. Sorry. And enter it. You are not a DK student. That's it. Else uh, like I given here like invalid input. Okay. So let's run this. Suppose here I given like capital Y. So see, what is the answer? Option equals to, oh, it's a string. I given capital. That's why it's invalid letter integer. So we have to use a string here. So I give a capital Y. So you can see you are a DK student. Again I run this small y, you are DK student. Again I run this capital N, you are not a DK student. Again I run this small n, you are not a DK student. If place of y and n, if I'm given another alphabets, like I given a, see invalid input. Okay, so this is way. using the logical operator you can make it nested if else program. Okay, so this is where you can go for the various kinds of program with the help of the logical operator. Guys, let me tell you, it's really very important. Suppose if you don't have a like an nested if else condition, suppose you don't have a logical operator. If you don't have logical operator and with and you can use in one line multiple condition, you can display the output. Otherwise you have to write if number of time, right? That is going to be time consuming first. So logical operators really very useful any programming languages, even in the tools also, right? So logical operator really save the time. Okay, so you make your work efficiency faster and it's not time consuming as well. Okay, so I hope you like it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye guys, take care all of you.